The stress details that they have as well. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, like, and it has it all over, like on the back too. Best purchase of the entire night. Thank you, Shein.
Turn on the tube, know what to do. You know who I'm watching. Shorty is cute, she got the juice. She my favorite option. Tune in to Ayana.
Hey everyone, it's Ayana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that post notifications button. Okay, subscribe, and if you are familiar with my channel, today we have a Shein haul. Way different from the first one. This one is huge. I have about 10 things, so let's get into the first item. So the first top is actually still has some of my jewelry in it, but it's this chocolate brown tie up top, and it ties up in the front. I got a size small. So you guys, if you haven't seen my first haul, pause this video and go watch my first haul, because you'll see that this one is completely different. So for this time, I got all my true sizes, because the first haul someone told me to size up, so I sized up in everything and nothing fit the way I liked it. It fit, but it wasn't fitting, you know, like it wasn't like this. So yeah, I got my size and this fits perfectly. So this is size small, US 4. And yeah, it's just this chocolate brown top. It's ribbed at the bottom, which I love. It'd be the little details for me. And then right here too. Yeah, let me see. Yep. Right here at the bottom is also like that. And the ties are so cute. This is such a cute, like, casual type of top to me. The next top that I have is this chocolate latex blouse. And this is how it looks. I've worn this before out to eat. I wore this on a little friend date, and it's like this chocolate blouse, so freaking pretty. It's like a corset type style, hugs the girls, and yeah, it just zips up in the back. I love the material and the style of this. It's so freaking perfect. And of course, the chocolate on the chocolate is always a win. I love this color so much. It's just so fun to play around with browns because it's so neutral, but when you have like a brown leather or something, it completely pops the outfit. But yeah, so size 4, size small. So the next top I got is this really cute color block blouse. Oh, I love this so much. It came late, so I couldn't even wear it to where I wanted to wear it, but it's a size small, US 4. And it's this color blocked button-up blouse. It's a little long, but not too long. It fits just right on. And I actually ended up just using this for a job interview that I had 2 days ago. But yeah, so it's tan on the sleeves. It has white shades, a shade of black on the pocket, and it's just something. I love getting stuff like this for, like, when, you know, I start work or have job interviews, just because it literally is just a cute way to just jazz up an outfit without doing too much. I will never be caught dead in a plain white button up. It's gonna have to have something on it, or at least be cream or something. So yeah, I got this in a size small. This is like number 3 on my top 5 list of things I got, but it's so cute. I love the material. It is not see-through, so y'all, a lot of people were wondering about the quality of Shein clothes, and this blouse is not see-through, so if I wore a pink bra under here, you would not see it. The material is not thin, and it's just really cute. So this first pair of bottoms is a pair that people have been going crazy over on social media, and it is these brown patchwork jeans. So it has brown, y'all know, it's obviously patchwork was the theme this time around in my Shein shopping. So it has brown, this greenish color, and white, and yeah. So they go all the way down. They fit perfectly around my waist. I got a size small US 4, so that's what I pretty much got in everything, y'all. But they fit so perfectly, nothing like the first haul. Like, everything fits my waist. There's no gaps in my waist. That's the problem that skinny people have. And the bottoms are fine. They do not flood, and they aren't skinny leg bottoms. They're just regular bottoms. Like, they're not wide leg, they're not skinny leg. They're just leg. I don't know the word for that, but yeah, they're just leg jeans, y'all. It ain't nothing too special, but I love these. Definitely number 2 on my favorites list. I love the little distressed details that they have as well. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, like, and it has it all over, like on the back too, and on the ends of the pants. I love that. It gives it some type of flavor. Fun fact, in high school, I loved distressed jeans. I used to just make up my own ripped jeans, honestly, because I used to get some scissors and some tweezers and rip my own jeans. My mom would not let me have jeans, so I used to, I mean, you have ripped jeans, so I used to go in the school bathroom, me and my friends, to go put up our jeans, come home with holes in our jeans and get our ass beat. But hey, so this first pair of bottoms I've never worn yet. I only got this stuff like last week, but it's these black leather or pleather alligator skin pants. Ugh, I cannot wait to give a look at these. So US 4, size small, and these pants are gorgeous. Like, look at the detail. Look at the detail of these freaking pants. No pockets, so they're just slim booty. And they have one little button right here. They're skinny legs, so they're supposed to be skinny all the way down. It looks kind of wide leg on here. I've never tried this on, so we will see in the next version. But I love these pants so freaking much. Just the detailing. It's really the details for me on these pants. But yeah, size 4, they should fit like a glove. For minimalistic looks or simple looks, get a pair of these, get a cute little bodysuit, some nice little boot heels, and you're good for the night. The next thing I got are these zebra wide leg pants, and they are so perfect, you guys. Literally wide leg pants, and they're zebra print, and they're very flowy, and it's brown zebra print, so it's like this brown and cream color. Yes, okay. And I just love it so much. They flow really easily. They fit perfectly on my waist, size 4, size small. And mind you, my waist may be like a 28. So yeah, they fit perfectly on 28 size waist. If that helps you guys size out a little bit. Here, I'll show you guys my waist. So this is my waist. Don't mind my bed. But this is my waist. So yeah, fits perfectly around this. So if you're my size, get a size 4. They fit perfectly. Paired these up with that brown latex blouse. Chef's kiss. 5. But yeah, so that's how these look. This is number 4. If I didn't say 4 already, then 5. I already said 4, but of my top 5, definitely up there. I will wear these multiple times all over again. You can style them so many different ways that it literally does not matter. Next is this black jumpsuit that I got. Oh my god, best SHEIN purchase I've ever seen quality wise on a jumpsuit like this. I was scared, sorry I got the hiccups. I was scared that it was gonna come in like scuba diver material. Let me stand up for this one. But it is, I got it in an extra small this time, a size 2, because I was not playing with the way it fit. I hate when jumpsuits, you get them and they're just so baggy, like the cat suits. They're baggy in the crotch area and different things like that. Can't do it. This is my favorite purchase, by far number 1. I got this black cropped puffer coat. Amazing quality, cheap as ever. I got a size 6 medium, so 6 is a medium. I did not want to get small. I hate when jacket sleeves. I absolutely fucking hate when jacket sleeves are too short. So I got a medium. Best decision ever. A small would have been way too small. So if you're like me, your torso's like me, your arms like me, I'm 5'6", definitely try this. But I'm gonna stand up for y'all for this one, because this right here, baby, so freaking cute. I've always been into puffer coats, but I've just never gotten one. But yeah, so pretty. Comes all the way down, nothing to worry about with the arms. And yeah, here for it. Okay, no hood, it's just a fluffy collar right here. But I've worn this out pretty much every day since I've gotten it. Perfect. I'm from Chicago, it's windy as hell. Perfect for the wind, perfect for the cool, if you want to look cute but you still want to be warm. If if you go out but you don't want to wear a big ass ugly coat while you're out. Me, that's my problem. Ooh, so freaking cute. I'm gonna go and show this on my live on TikTok later. If you're on Shein during the winter time, you want to get you a winter coat, definitely go on there. I 100 out of 100 recommend their jackets and coats, because this just blew me away. Best purchase of the entire night. And it's puffy. Like, I wish you guys could feel right here. It actually blocks the wind from coming into the jacket. So not only is it actually cute, but it also actually keeps you warm. Thank you, Shein. So now, y'all, now let's get into jewelry and accessories. This three chain gold chain set. So it has a chunky one, a tiny one, and a medium one, and they both go in layers. So the smallest one is the tightest one, the medium one is the shortest one, and then the longest one is the chunky one. So cute. I'm gonna insert pictures because with these nails, I'm sorry, I don't feel like doing it. I can't put all these necklaces on, and I got another necklace set to show y'all. No. So it's this set, and it has a dragon in a box, a dragon in a box, and a dragon without a box, and another dragon in a box. That's solid. So here, let me show you guys. There we go. It was trying so hard to focus this, but yeah, dragons, as you guys could see. And then this one is a dragon as well. It's a sparkly dragon. So it has diamonds around the edges. So cute. Another layered thing. I'm into layered necklaces, so I was like, let me get this. And you guys know I'm horrible with jewelry, but this was the only way that I keep it in, so I keep it in these things. The last thing I got from Shein are these sunglasses. I got these in my first haul, yes. I lose them everywhere I go, every vacation I go on, anywhere. I lose these freaking sunglasses so every time. So yeah, just buy new ones. They're so cheap on Shein, so I just get new ones. But yeah, these are my favorite glasses ever. I'll never get rid of these. I need to get the Saint Laurent ones. See, I just changed up this entire look. And you know, they come with the cute little Shein case so that you don't lose them. Yeah, I still lose them. I always lose the case. So that's it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the haul and want to see more reviews and honest reviews of Shein clothing. I liked everything because I picked out everything. Nothing disappointed me. I didn't wish anything was different. You know, my first haul, I was not that satisfied. This haul was for the girls. I love this haul so much. So if you guys want to see more Shein hauls, just say that, because I love Shein and I love to shop, and you guys know this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be blessed. Stay safe. I love you guys.
Tune in to Ayana.